Welcome back to At Your Leisure. It's product review time. We're down here at Parris RV. Today we are looking at the Rockwood G16TH, reasonably priced, and it also is reasonable weight. It's just a little under, just a smidge under 2,500 pounds dry weight. Before we go in, I want to start pointing to some of the clues that will tell you that this is an exceptionally high-end little motorhome. Keyless entry, so they've got upgraded locks on it. Also notice, there is a Wi-Fi booster and router on this unit, so you can give the whole campground access if you want. Let's go inside. On the way in here, we came in on this new upgraded aluminum steps. They're durable, they hit the ground. That makes egress and ingress really simple. Now, isn't this cute? Light colors, because it's small. It's got air conditioning, it's got a furnace, it's got a full galley here, it's got a microwave, it's got a stove, 3-burner propane, and a kitchen sink. Now, up front is a bathroom, and they did manage in this very small space to give you a shower and a toilet. Back here in the toy hauler end of it, you've got face-to-face seating with a long table. So, and this is where your bed comes in. It converts into your bed here. Got a drop-down tailgate to get your toys inside, be it what they may, whether it be mountain bikes or kayaks or an ATV. It'll fit one in here, or dirt bikes. This is a great way to haul those younger rigs, younger toys for people in this rig. And then, of course, it has a snap-in screen over the door so that you can open up the outside space and make it feel a little more airy inside. On the wall, you have what looks like just a plain old TV set, but it actually is a swivel-mounted entertainment center. It has a DVD player on it. It has hookups for other inputs, and it runs on 12 volts. So you can be out in the outback running off your inverter, or you can be running off your battery, be just fine. I'll see you back outside. Okay, to me, camping is an outdoor activity, okay? And they provide that here because as small as this is, it's got a little outdoor kitchen. It even comes with a Coleman stove. You set right on this platform to do your outdoor cooking. You can bring your table from the inside outside. It is independent, sits on table legs. Now, one last thing to mention before we go. If you're looking to get in that outback country because you want to go places that no man has gone before, well, they put the James T. Kirk suspension on this. They have a lift kit and knobby off-road tires so that you can hook this up to your favorite crossover, SUV, smaller size, and get to the place you want to be with all the toys you want to have. That's it for our product review today. If you're of a mind to do a little kayaking, camping, boarding, motorcycling, or an ATV ride, and you're on a budget, go check this out. Parris RV, 40th South End State.